Your father lick you, you know. So, you know your mother can't lick you and your father can't lick you.
Any man lick me dead.
Yeah?
No, me say any man lick me dead. Cause look you know, you say if you lick me, me get mad, I'm run for my shit. Yet gone. Me say me must have been humble, you know. I like a boy drink and come lick me. And if he say my most wicked man. I say if him body in a blood clot fridge, when if he say wicked and my first man, we go kill. Oh, it's cool. You say me they talk, nobody know about that man.
Alright. Yeah.
Well, go on, my brother, my dear man.
Fuck, like I come on a chat, boy.
Money.
Which money? Which money? Search one. You can't, what kind of, if you search a man, you're a batty man. If you search a man, you're a batty man.
You go to jail, man, search me and take on the money.
No pussy can't search me in jail, I'm not go prison either.
I don't prison, I said jail.
Jail, which jail you chat, boy?
Any jail.
You two blood clot,
When you go to jail, you get searched.
Ah, stop touch me, stop touch me.
Touch him, let me touch him.
Bumbuckle.
You love it.
Yeah, man, I love you fucking man.
I have no money.
Wow, which
Yeah,
money?
the money.
Bella give money?
Me can't be the for. Me can't be the busy about Bella page. Yeah, give me the blood. You broke and bummer. And then they come from the egg, you go leak out your mother. Okay, I tell you what, I don't do it. Say where she won the sidewalk. Me not done nobody for you. Girl, you're big, the blood. When I want you to walk out, the boy walk a country, girl, go ahead. Your blood, girl. Jerry! Talk to your mother. Jerry! Mother, fuck her. You want to walk? Where? Your blood, girl. Hey, girl, me go come on and put a bullet in your blood, jacket. You don't know about it, yeah. Stop your mother. Never do them big pussy woman. You're going to be a side one. I guess you want to kill her.
Me and my market, white car, run a Reddit road, a kill flip and a crush flip. Said we'll put them still like this, the rim them rusty. A security girl take come a bomb buckle at market car and bring come a plaza at the bus park. And she and bomb buckle at police. I intimidate man for going out, but them want done a run on my blood clot head. I found my bomb buckle at car. She and blood clot police. I intimidate man for going out. All them know she gun for bus man. I shot for that in a bomb buckle at head.
People analyze, see key there, where market see there. Yo, what are you coming where market see there?
The oldest car I'm going already. I buy the key for my key youth. Key like this and show me tonight. Piece of the windscreen broke out. A bench time me right on it. I should write market on it. And phone I intimidate man to going out. And years for day night I kids flip and cross flip. I don't know, I saw a killer tell you, yo, baby mother come away. I do nothing to pick me. Him can be get up in a society, nothing like a way. I do nothing to pick me. Him can be get up in a society. Some guys are cold, little bit tall, dirty. Them a brain for Tom, or a brain for Harry. Man now, mine now, them have no money. If you're slow, them can government, but she and a man been village, run up in a family, oh man. I should be kidding.
Watch it. Can't tell free the man them. Done up.
Done up, cute.
Done.
And the butt inflates are you right now. Done up.
Done.
No, my wife.
No.
Hello, forever and ever.
Awkward.
Some lady has spread rumors upon grandma about grandma have a lot of goat. I lie them I tell upon grandma. See grandma they right as I tell them. Tell them grandma.
The goat them. I'm back to call the place, you know, having an old woman and my daughter dead. They come from back and they're going to live in there. I'm a Morgan back to call me to them 20 years old and I'm hold for a big house, you know, and nothing. A people of faith, not a lie, the woman I tell. They have little goats under them teeth every bit and they goat them.
Then take away all the goat them, right?
Yes,
so,
I little one there left now, I'm not no rum, I know this, that. The poor little woman got them up top, tell lie.
Lie, alright. So don't stop tell lie upon grandma.
Okay? You got one coin in each hand. If you turn your hands over, should be one there, there should be one there. Shouldn't it? Right? You turn your hands over, should be one there, should be one there. One in each hand. Turn your hands over, One there, one there.
With the bomb class. No,
One there, one there.
Yeah.
Right? One there, one there.
Yeah.
Right? Right? One there, one there.
Yeah. What the fuck? Slide. I want to cross you, sir.
Alright guys, all road leads to Giovanni. Good night or good morning or good evening. We state you're in. Giovanni's birthday starting 12 o'clock tonight. So we're going to sing happy birthday to him because we're not going to see him again till tomorrow, which is the day when his birthday. That's the 17th. Okay? Happy birthday to you. On behalf of Auntie Dana and the Planka Nation and the Planka team and Selene, my one and only Giovanni, we always give me the good things them. You understand? I always buy the good things them. I will be careful with it. Let me say, not sure this pan you. You understand? Forever 21. You understand? And I will always
Love you, baby.
love you, Giovanni, you in a sweet memory. And above all this, I wish you
Good
joy
luck. Oh,
and
God.
happiness.
Thank you.
Cause I will always love you. And now we in Jamaica. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I want to know, Giovanni. You're clean like police record. That's the boy must be. I don't care what he wants about you and talk about you. You're clean like police record. That's all. And God give your life and give me life to be here. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to worship God for Giovanni, to give Giovanni one more year from them. Hallelujah, Jesus. We give you the glory and the honor, Lord, as we lift our hands in worship. God, we bless your holy name, because you are great.
You're the miracle.
Your miracle, Giovanni, is great. Lord, there is no one else like you.
Oh, Lord.
There is no one else like you. Give them a take, Giovanni. You watch them laugh. I said, Giovanni, you said why she cut them off. No, tell them your business, then we're taking your task. Jah answer your prayer, Giovanni, this your heart. Open the eye, them,
Father, may the city haters are come.
Please guide him, Jehovah.
As Father, protect the son. Can't touch me because your heart too clean.
They can't kill you because your heart too clean. Oh, we are. Yeah. Tomorrow night, we're going to be here from in the day, starting from 12 o'clock. We're going to celebrate Giovanni. There's only one Giovanni, and there is only one life God give us. And tomorrow is Giovanni's birthday. One more year from them.